Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to Glam Look Connect Hair Studio. Today, I bring you Marley twist. Marley twists are braids that I know by now you've seen people doing. Most of them are imported, especially the Ombré Marley twist. I'm going to take you through how they are done, the colors that they are available in. I'm going to insert a picture of the colors that you might get them in. Yes, guys. So first of all, this braid, one thing I'd say about it, they look so good. Like if you want to stand out, you just want people to look at you and they're like, which hair are you having? This is the braid to try. Yes, guys. So they are very light. They are very light braids. You can have them when you're going to the coast or places that are like with high humidity. Very simple and very easy to style. Yeah, so basically what you'd like to note on this particular style is you can have them as knotless or just fix them the normal way, the classic way. The most important thing is you want to make sure that the ombre braid transitions so that there is no part that is up and the other color is down. What I mean by that is before you fix the braid, you want to make sure that it is leveled, because what will happen is if you don't level the braid well, the black part will go up and then the ombre part will go down, so you might end up getting a completely different style, or rather completely different color. I think that is the most challenging thing. In our videos we've discussed the fixing method, which by now I know most of you know, and if you are here for the first time, you are welcome, and you can go through our other videos just to see how we do the knotless braids and how we do the fixing. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share our videos with your friends. If you have a friend who is trying to get into the braiding industry, please let them know that this is the best channel for them to subscribe and follow, because we are bringing you all the styles, the latest, the trendiest styles that you might think of, guys. So for this particular braid, since you are in Kenya, I will tag the pages that we get them from, or rather let me just mention, there is the Empress Hair Kenya in Nairobi. They're located somewhere along Moi Avenue. You can find them on Instagram. Yes, they have their pages. They have other braids also that are imported, which are really good. So guys, if you get time, please check them out. Another thing I have to mention is the price and also how many packs you'll need for a full head. So guys, a little bit of the downside of this particular braid, I'd say from my own opinion, is that the braids are a bit expensive, because one pack goes for around 750. You might need 3 to 4 or even 5, depending with the volume that you want. Mostly, especially for this particular videos, we used 4 packs, so that means that it's 4 times 750, which some people from my experience, they find it a little bit pricey. That is just the price of the braid without the labor. Yeah, so is there an alternative if you decide probably that this is you might not be able to buy the 4 or 5 packs at 750? Yes, I think Darling has Marley braids. The only thing is that you'll not get them in the colors that you might want, especially the ombre colors. They don't have the ombre colors, but the ones that they have, like I know they have color 230, they have color 33, color 133. Those are they're good colors, but there is a way this ombre just shouts, beauty. That is why, as a body, you just close your eyes and get the Marley braids, at least for once. They really look nice. Also, the thing is, with the other Marley braids, you'll get the same, or rather similar results. The only thing you might not get is the color that is in this particular video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you've been watching up to this point, I really appreciate you. So another thing you want to note is the twisting pattern. You see, you twist it the same way that you do the normal twist, but the results are going to come out as if you are doing the spring twist. Because if you do them the anti-clockwise way, the results are going to be completely different, which we've tried. And also that one gives you a very beautiful style, so you can try both ways. But for me, I'd go for this because it's more soft compared to the other design, or the other braiding pattern. Guys, I think that is it for this hair. Able, look how beautiful this hair looks, guys. Hata kama ni expensive, you just do it at least once. Just do it. Thank you so much for watching. If you got to this point, I appreciate you guys. Another thing I'm here to tell you guys, it's that I have an amazing something for you. I have an ebook for beginners who are trying to get into the hair industry and you don't know where to start. The link will be on a description box starting next week, so check out. It's very informative and resourceful, so check it out. And guys, if you know someone who is also trying to get into this industry, please recommend that for them. I know that book will really be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. And as you do that, also you can end up on Instagram, like our videos, and also follow us over there. We're also on TikTok. Book with us if you're in Nairobi. We will appreciate you, and I can assure you that our services really good. You love them. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.